So any channel, you can stop the particular video comment box. That is very important. So I can upload one video on YouTube channel. I can stop not total channel comment box. I can stop the particular one video comment box. One video comment box. How to disable one video comment box? That is called, we can go to video manager. In this video manager, select by your particular videos. Which video you can comment will be disabled. Which video comment will be disabled. Click for edit. So this video I can't show the comment box on the users. Select it. In this option column, we have totally 4 options will be there in particular video. Basic info, translation, monetization, advanced setting. Click for advanced settings. After that, they're showing the first option. This is allow comment. So you're writing for all expecting potential inappropriate comment and approve. This will be option. All will be there. Next, sort by top comment, newest, first. Anything, or else I disable it. Everything will be your wish. Enable and disable. After click for save. If anything will be disabled, select it. Your question mark, is it disable or not? Open that video. Display it. Sometime updating purpose, some little bit change. So here, comment disable this video. I can enable it. Only for this video only. Next video will be accept. Only for this video I am disabled by my comment box. I can refresh. Scroll down. Comment is enabled. Any video particular comment will be box disabled and enabled by particular YouTube channels. This is called we can enable disable by particular video comment box.